Hey, it's Hunker down Diane. I'm your spring girl weather girl. Well, right now I'd like to do a little bit something different with you today. I'm going to take you through what it's like to be behind the scenes of trying to predict such a big and complicated storm coming in. I know everybody's freaking out. Guess what? It's probably gonna snow this weekend. So anyways, this is how I go about figuring out how things are, what's going to happen. I take a great deal of time to really research weather patterns. So right now, this is what I'm looking at. I know you're going to see some lines here, but this is the way things are. It's a beautiful coloring, and I really haven't figured it out yet. But something is going to happen. So what I did was I kind of called upon some of my other meteorologist friends and to see if they could give me any clues as to what's going to happen. And here's from KY. I think it's KY Jelly. I don't know. But anyways, pretty much he doesn't have a clue either what's going to happen. But and then of course here we have, another weather forecast. These guys aren't the brightest. But so far, from what I can tell, this is probably your best scenario as to what's going to happen this weekend. Yes, at a 0 to 100% chance of 0 to 24 inches of snowfall. So with that being said, I would hope people who have pets, you'd bring them in because you don't want your dog to wind up looking like this poor guy. I mean, he is just snowball bound. And then of course, my other meteorologist friend here, I don't know what to even think of him. But yeah, like I said, these guys aren't the brightest bulbs. But I do try and use some of their information, but I think pretty much this is how your weekend is gonna look. Gonna look like, yeah, like that. And so I'll get back to you. I'm gonna do a little bit more research on some things and give you a better idea of, how much bread, how much vodka, how much wine, how much beer, how much milk to buy. So I will be getting back to you. This is Hunker Down Diane, your Spring Grove weather girl.